Have you ever felt weighed down by negative energy or emotions that seem to cling to you? Do you sometimes feel like you're carrying a heavy burden that you can't quite shake off? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience these feelings, and they can often be attributed to a cluttered or negative aura. Your aura is the energy field that surrounds you, and it can pick up negativity from your environment, interactions with others, and your own thoughts and emotions. In this video, we'll explore how to cleanse your aura, bringing you back to a state of balance and harmony. We'll cover various techniques, from simple breathing exercises to the use of crystals that you can incorporate into your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to maintain a clean and vibrant aura, helping you to feel more positive, energized, and clear-minded. Your aura is a luminous energy field that surrounds you, acting as a protective shield and a reflection of your inner state. It extends beyond your physical body and is composed of multiple layers, each corresponding to different aspects of your being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. The aura is not just a metaphysical concept. It has been studied in various cultures and spiritual traditions for centuries. The state of your aura can significantly impact your overall well-being. A healthy, vibrant aura can enhance your physical health, emotional stability, and mental clarity. Conversely, a cluttered or negative aura can lead to feelings of fatigue, anxiety, and confusion. Understanding the importance of your aura is the first step in learning how to cleanse and maintain it. So, how do you know if your aura needs cleansing? There are several signs to look out for that indicate your energy field may be clogged with negative influences. You might feel constantly tired or drained, even after a good night's sleep. You could experience unexplained mood swings or feel unusually anxious or irritable. Physical symptoms such as headaches or a general sense of heaviness can also be indicators. Another sign is a lack of clarity or focus, where you find it difficult to concentrate or make decisions. You might also notice that you are more sensitive to negative environments or people, feeling overwhelmed in crowded places or around certain individuals. If you resonate with any of these signs, it might be time to cleanse your aura. Cleansing your aura can bring about numerous benefits, enhancing both your inner and outer worlds. When your aura is clear and vibrant, you feel more energetic and balanced. Your mood improves, and you experience a sense of lightness and joy. Mental clarity increases, allowing you to think more clearly and make decisions with confidence. Emotionally, you become more resilient, better able to handle stress and negativity. Relationships improve as your positive energy attracts similar vibrations from others. On a spiritual level, a clean aura helps you connect more deeply with your higher self, intuition, and the universe. Overall, maintaining a clean aura contributes to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Before you begin the process of cleansing your aura, it's important to prepare yourself and your environment. Creating a peaceful and serene space is crucial, as it sets the tone for your practice. Find a quiet area where you won't be disturbed, and make sure it's clean and clutter-free. You can enhance the ambiance by lighting candles or incense, playing soft music, or incorporating elements of nature, such as plants or crystals. Take a few moments to center yourself. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any immediate stress or distractions. This preparation phase is about creating a sacred space for yourself, where you can fully focus on the process of cleansing your aura. One of the simplest and most effective ways to begin cleansing your aura is through deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing helps to calm your mind, center your energy, and release negative vibrations. Start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, imagine that you are inhaling pure, positive energy and exhaling any negativity or tension. Visualize this positive energy filling your entire being, from your toes to the top of your head and extending out into your aura. Continue this deep breathing for several minutes, allowing yourself to become more relaxed and focused with each breath. Visualization is a powerful tool for cleansing your aura. By using the power of your mind, you can direct positive energy into your aura and dispel any negativity. One effective visualization technique involves imagining a bright, cleansing light surrounding and purifying your energy field. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, visualize a bright white light above your head. See this light slowly descending, enveloping your entire body and aura. Imagine this light cleansing and purifying every layer of your energy field, dissolving any negative energy or blockages. As the light moves through your aura, visualize it becoming brighter and more vibrant. Feel a sense of warmth and positivity filling your entire being. Spend a few minutes in this visualization, allowing the light to cleanse and renew your aura completely. Nature has a remarkable ability to cleanse and rejuvenate our energy fields. Spending time in natural settings can help to clear your aura and restore your sense of balance and harmony. One simple way to cleanse your aura is to walk barefoot on grass or sand. This practice, known as grounding or earthing, allows you to connect directly with the Earth's energy, which can help to neutralize negative vibrations and recharge your aura. Sitting by a stream or waterfall, or even just being near water, can also have a cleansing effect on your aura. The sound of flowing water is naturally soothing and can help to wash away negative energy. Additionally, spending time in the sun can infuse your aura with positive, life-giving energy. Whenever possible, take time to immerse yourself in nature. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply sitting in your backyard, nature's healing power can significantly benefit your aura. Sound and vibration are powerful tools for aura cleansing. Different sounds can resonate with various parts of your energy field, helping to dislodge and release negative energy. One effective method is to listen to calming music or nature sounds. Choose music that resonates with you personally, whether it's soft instrumental, chanting, or singing bowls. You can also use your own voice to cleanse your aura. Chanting or humming can create vibrations that help to clear and balance your energy field. Try chanting a simple mantra, such as Om, and feel the vibration reverberate through your body and aura. Singing bowls, particularly crystal singing bowls, are another excellent tool for aura cleansing. The pure, resonant tones they produce can help to clear and align your energy field. Spend a few minutes each day listening to or playing a singing bowl and notice the positive impact on your aura. Crystals have been used for centuries for their healing properties, and they can be particularly effective for aura cleansing. Each crystal has its own unique energy and can help to clear, balance, and protect your aura. Some of the most effective crystals for aura cleansing include amethyst, selenite, and clear quartz. Amethyst is known for its ability to transmute negative energy into positive energy. It can help to clear your aura and protect you from negative influences. Selenite is a powerful cleansing crystal that can remove energy blockages and purify your energy field. Clear quartz is known as the master healer and can amplify the energy of other crystals, making it an excellent choice for aura cleansing. To use crystals for aura cleansing, simply hold the crystal in your hand or place it on your body while meditating. Visualize the crystal's energy flowing into your aura, clearing away any negativity and filling your energy field with positive healing energy. Maintaining a clean and vibrant aura is an ongoing process. By incorporating simple daily practices, you can keep your aura clear and healthy. One of the most effective practices is to maintain a positive mindset. Your thoughts and emotions have a significant impact on your aura, so focus on cultivating positivity, gratitude, and love. Avoiding negative influences is also crucial. Be mindful of the people you spend time with and the environments you frequent. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting individuals and create a living space that feels peaceful and supportive. Another effective practice is to spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection or meditation. This can help you to clear your mind, release stress, and recharge your energy field. You can combine this with deep breathing or visualization techniques for added benefit. Practicing gratitude is a simple yet powerful way to keep your aura clean. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This positive focus can help to shift your energy and keep your aura vibrant and healthy. Cleansing your aura is a vital practice for maintaining your overall well-being. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can clear away negative energy, enhance your mood, and improve your mental clarity. Remember, your aura reflects your inner light. Keep it bright and let your true self shine. As you integrate these practices into your life, you'll begin to notice the positive changes in your energy, relationships, and overall sense of well-being. Take the time to nurture and care for your aura, and you will experience a more balanced, joyful, and fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to a healthy and vibrant aura is a personal one. Be patient with yourself and trust that with consistent practice, you will see and feel the benefits. Your aura is a reflection of your inner world, so keep it clear, positive, and full of light. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of aura cleansing. May your journey to a brighter, more vibrant aura be filled with light, love, and positivity.